Is the Loop Carousel missing from your Elementor widgets? Discover the exact path to unlock and add it in under 3 minutes. We'll start by editing your homepage, then click through the Elementor panel until we reach Loop Carousel, and finally, upgrade to activated. Start by editing the homepage with Elementor. Then click on the highlight to proceed. Now click on the Pro option. Then click on Pro once more. And then click on Loop Carousel. Click on Upgrade to build advanced Loop Carousel with dynamic posts and custom layouts to better engage your site visitors. Then click on Upgrade Now. And finally, click on Upgrade Now one last time. And that's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.